Coffee. Good morning, guys. We have a snow finally. Winter is here, as you can see. We have a nice temperature, but still it's polite temperature that we can enjoy in a coffee. Don't stay too long outside, but I'm using this opportunity to show you how Sarajevo looks like on real sunny winter days, and I will give you a small sneak peek. For the rest of the city, you're gonna have to come and just see it. Okay? See you. And by the way, we will, I promise, upload it. Try it at least every day, a new video, because past few months we were too lazy, and now we will show you how the rest of the country and the whole Balkans looks like. And before that, check the Sarajevo and enjoy the view.